Financial literacy no toy Hasteni Lukurokno aver Khlainani Naharmungo Srang Salo Prognobo pani conference hall logo Khlaijakha Kaisa seminar panda Manjaka Hasteni Montri Okra Yaksu eba Rangbedini Montri Jishnu Deborma Rangbedini Secretary Brijesh Pande Rangbedini Under Secretary Rina Deborma Akosha Shikanguni Bukak Tiruk Himuitongo Tripura Haste Financial literacy no toy Hasteni Lukurokno aver Khlainani Naharmungo Srang Salo Prognobo ni conference hall logo Khlaijakha Kaisa seminar panda Manjaka Hasteni Montri Okra Yaksu eba Rangbedini Montri Jishnu Deborma Rangbedini Secretary Brijesh Pande Rangbedini Under Secretary Rina Deborma Akosha Pandao Cox Hanani Tangoi Hasteni Montri Okra Yaksu eba Rangbedini Montri Jishnu Deborma Saka SSG group ni Adong Rogno Bania Khlaimung ni Bukak Sakangi Tangnani Naharmungo Borongno Kebangkok Rang Pusa Rujagnani Bagoi Shaktar Mung Naharjakha Hapangni Naharmung Sakshakni Yakungo Basawi Mantung Borok Hastio Berai Krai Beremo Belai Kusung Tinang Hanoi Abuni Bagoi Berai Krai Beremo Rang Pusa investment Khlainani Bagoi Joto Bank no Koi Mung Narukha Hasteni Montri Okra Yaksu eba Rangbedini Montri Jishnu Deborma
because I didn't have proper shoes, I didn't have proper clothes, and today I have a table in that bank, and sometimes the branch manager calls me for a cup of tea, and she helped other women with their documentation and all that. So the banks have been democratized, and we have to also democratize our minds. We have also to democratize our mind. Banks have become nice and swanky, but then they democratized. People can go to banks now with Jan Dhan Yojana, with all these flagship schemes. It's very, very good that people are coming, and you must get people into the banks. The whole idea is to get people into the bank, include them. And as the additional secretary was saying, some more banks need to be opened in the rural areas. Some more banks need to end this financial education. Empowerment starts with financial education. And let us keep it very simple. We have this habit of, from the government side of complicating things. Let's keep it very simple. What are banks for? First question is to be answered, what are banks for? That concept has to be changed. The mindset has to be changed. The banks are for development and for social security of the people. That mindset has to be brought into the people and into the banks. And as I told Devanand, my Panchayat director, you see that these leaflets are given. We can also do some, financial literacy in the panchayat samitis. My department can play a role there, and you bank, some people from the bank can go. You plan out a program with him, Panchayat director.
Sure.
Let me know which panchayat. You can do it in a panchayat samiti first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can do it in panchayat samitis first. Instead of going right into 587, we see the 581 panchayats. You do it at panchayat samiti level. And bankers will help. You all will help to bring people in. You will arrange at all panchayat samiti block level. So you bankers can play a part, all of you can do something about and get a program started out. Maybe one or two I'll attend myself, because I feel it's very important. We can get feedbacks, we can see how literate they are already. We can find out what our efforts have been so far. I've been able to educate them, include them, what are their feedbacks, isn't it? Because this has to be tailored to their needs. And banking norms, of course. They have to be tailored to their needs and the banking norms. That is what it requires. So you sit with them and get it done. I'll also attend a few of them. And my institutional financial, I thank you. It's a very nice effort. Keep it up and have it more often. Have it more often and in smaller groups maybe. See that we do something, make the banks truly what? The model for development in Tripura. Thank you so much.
Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Tripura, respected Deputy Director.
Zakor Agulin Shimi Krishanoni Koktum Chini Khorang.